Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cleaning brush that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Geniani Home Cleaning Brush. The Geniani Home Cleaning Brush is the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. This cordless scrubber has a maximum runtime of 80 minutes and only takes 3.5 hours to fully charge. It boasts a powerful 210 RPM for those small crevices that need extra attention. The 2500 mAh battery gives you all the juice you need to scrub away tough grime, dirt, and stains. This electric spin scrubber is perfect for wood floors, tile, counters, showers, and more. With the ability to swap between different brush heads, you can clean any surface with ease. The high-powered scrubber runs at less than 75 decibels, so you don't have to worry about disturbing or waking anyone. Plus, each purchase comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind when gifting. With its tough bristles, powerful motor, and long battery life, this scrubber is sure to make any surface sparkle and shine. Its durability and reliability earned it the top spot on our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Geniani Cleaning Brush. The Geniani Cleaning Brush is designed to be the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Equipped with 2 operation modes, 380 RPM and 280 RPM, it provides high-level cleaning power to make all of your spaces shine and sparkle. The included 2500 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime with a fast 3.5-hour charging time, making this scrubber both powerful and convenient. The unique design of this cleaning brush allows it to reach areas that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to get to. The stainless steel handle can be adjusted to the perfect angle to reach corners and crevices. In addition, it comes with 3 replaceable rotating brush heads, providing even more versatility when cleaning all kinds of surfaces. Operating at less than 70 decibels, you can use it in any part of your home without disturbing others. Plus, its sealed design prevents water from seeping in for worry-free use. The auto shut-off feature ensures reliable protection from scratches when cleaning tile floors. With its wide range of features, adjustable handle, replaceable brushes, and durable construction, it's sure to provide many years of reliable use in any household. At number 3, we have the LABIGO Cleaning Brush. For those looking to revolutionize their home cleaning routine, the LABIGO Cleaning Brush is an excellent choice. This cordless spin scrubber comes with 4 replaceable brush heads and an adjustable extension handle, so you can easily clean your shower bathroom, bathtub, stone tile floor, grout, grooves, toilet, etc., in one fell swoop. This cleaning brush is especially useful for those with limited mobility, such as elderly people who may have difficulty bending and kneeling to clean. Thanks to its internal motor, the scrubber's rotating brush head can rotate at a high speed of up to 380 RPM, meaning it can quickly clean stubborn stains and make your house look brand new. This product also features a rechargeable battery and a cordless design, allowing you the freedom to move around and easily reach tricky spots. Finally, the manufacturer is fully committed to product quality and will do its best to provide excellent customer service. At number 2, we have the IEZFIX Cleaning Brush. The IEZFIX Cleaning Brush is a great tool for those who want to get their cleaning done quickly and efficiently. This scrubber is lightweight and cordless, so you can take it anywhere you need to clean. The 4 interchangeable brush heads provide versatility for various cleaning needs like bathroom surfaces, floor tiles, ovens, stoves, windowsills, tight spaces, and more. This spin scrubber is powered up to 350 rotations per minute, and the ergonomically designed handle makes it easy to use without straining your hands and back. It's powerful enough to get rid of gunk, dirt, and grimy spots, so you can have your surfaces looking sparkling fresh in no time. It's a great way to save time and energy while cleaning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oraimo Cleaning Brush. The Oraimo cleaning brush is extremely useful and can make any cleaning task easier and more convenient. With 2 speeds and a power of up to 430 RPM, it is capable of tackling even the toughest stains. The ability to quickly switch between cleaning modes makes it practical for different surfaces and types of dirt, while the adjustable extension arm makes it suitable for all areas in the home. In addition, the one-click release button allows you to easily change brushes without getting your hands dirty. The 3 separate brushes that come with the product make it possible to clean difficult-to-reach areas and narrow spaces, while the long bristles on each brush guarantee that no surface will be harmed during the cleaning process. Furthermore, the Type-C cable connection ensures that this device can be charged quickly and easily, in either a wall adapter or a USB port. All in all, this cleaning brush is a versatile and efficient tool for keeping your surfaces clean. With its 2 speeds and adjustable arm, it is guaranteed to get the job done quickly and effortlessly.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.